What's up, guys? It's your girl Kobe, and I am back with another video.
Mama said there'd be boys like you, tearing my heart in two, doing what you do.
So today I'm going to be doing, I forgot what I'm doing. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys like 4 or 5 different hairstyles that you can do with this look. Alright. But before we get into this video, I need you guys to like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to turn on post notifications so you are notified whenever I drop a little video. Alright, so let's just get right into this video. Alright. Guys, I wish I could dance. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be showing you guys like 4 or 5 different hairstyles. Got my comb. It's not a comb, it's a brush. It's a brush comb. Got that, and then I got my scrunchie. So the first hairstyle that you could do is this right here, straight down. Obviously that's a hairstyle. Now, second one we're gonna get right into because this is some hard work. The first one I usually do, my first go-to is when I have to work, and I'll usually go for like a side bun because I do like my hair in a bun when I'm working. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Alright guys, so this is usually what I go for when I'm at work. I just do like a little bun to the side. Alright guys, so the next hairstyle that I have today, I don't have names for these hairstyles, I just do it, honestly. Next hairstyle I have is, yes, I do it on different sides.
I don't know why, but I do. I do like a side little, like that. Bring it to the side, but I usually, I'll bring it to the side
like that. You always gotta leave this one hanging because, I don't know, it looks right. Alright guys, so the next hairstyle that I have for you guys today is, I don't know how many people do this, but I still do it sometimes. The 2 braids. I'm gonna show you guys right now. 2 braids. This is the next hairstyle, 2 little braids. I still think this is very cute. This is for like when you don't want to do anything. When you don't want to do anything, like you don't feel like having it. And then you could also put it in a bun, but I don't do that, so I'm not gonna show you how to do that because I don't do that. I usually just like leave it like this, like, hey. I'm corny as heck. Alright guys, so the next hairstyle, the next hairstyle is, you just take 2, I gotta come up with names for these. You take 2 pieces out the front, out both sides of the front, like this. And you basically flip it to the back. And this is where the scrunchie comes into play because I usually, where's my scrunchie? Where the heck is my scrunchie? Oh, I usually just tie it up in the back. So. Like so. So then there's usually just like a little bun in the back, but who cares? Alright, anyway. So the next hairstyle, when you have to stall because you don't have any more hairstyle. Oh my god. I'm trying to like look at the pictures in my room, trying to come up with hairstyles that I used to do. Okay, and they're all straight. Okay. Wow. Guys, I really did try. It just like it didn't work for me, you know. I'm okay. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment what you think down below. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments down below. And if throughout this whole video y'all was wondering what this is, I was having troubles. Okay, short story. I was having troubles taking this off, and I had to make a video. So I'm just like, alright, I'm just gonna like tuck it under so it'll look kind of normal, like one of those crop top sweater things that people wear with the little shirt underneath. Okay, true story. Yeah, guys, I didn't feel like taking it off, and I'm just like, I have to make a video real quick, so I'm gonna just leave this on because it don't look half bad. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment what you think down below. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you are notified whenever I drop a lit video. Oh my god, and I can't believe what I just did.
He tryna 69 like Takashi, call him Papi, worth the ASAP, keep me back.